norma verticalis, this is a superior view, and when we see superiorly in norma verticalis, the skull looks oval in shape. Skull is oval in shape, and this is the anterior part and this is the posterior part. Okay, the posterior part is wider than the anterior part. Posteriorly, skull is wider than anteriorly. Okay, now let's see what are the bones that are that can be seen in norma verticalis, that is superior view, and what are the sutures and what are other features that can be seen from the superior view. This is the frontal bone. Frontal bone. These both of them are parietal bones, and this is the occipital bone. So, what are the bones that are present that can be seen in norma verticalis view or superior view? There are three bones. First one, frontal bone. Second, parietal bones, one on each side, and third, occipital bone. So now coming to the sutures. What are the sutures that can be seen? This suture between frontal bone and two parietal bones is nothing but coronal suture. Name of the suture is coronal suture. And this suture which is present between two parietal bones, this is sagittal suture. Sagittal suture. And the suture which is present between two parietal bones and the occipital bone is nothing but lambdoid suture. Okay, so now what are the sutures that can be seen? First, coronal suture. Second, sagittal suture. And the third one is lambdoid suture. Now what are the other structures that can be seen? The other features that can be seen are the point, this point where the coronal suture and sagittal suture meets. This point is known as bregma. And these two lines on each side, these are present. These are the temporal lines. The lower one is inferior temporal line and the upper one is the superior temporal line. We will discuss all these features detailedly, but first let's name them. And these are the two foramen which are present on the parietal bone, one on each side of the sagittal suture. These are nothing but the parietal foramen. As these foramen are present on the parietal bone, they are named as parietal foramina, plural form. Okay, now this point, the point where the sagittal suture and the lambdoidal suture meets is nothing but lambda. This is named as lambda. And one more point is known as this obelion. The point between two parietal foramina on the sagittal suture is nothing but obelion. So draw a neat label diagram so that you can score good points. This is a self-explanatory diagram. Only in one diagram you can see all the parts. Let's see all of these points detailedly. Let's see about the coronal suture in detail. What is coronal suture? This is the suture which is placed between frontal bone, okay, and the parietal bone. Frontal bone and parietal bone, and this suture crosses the cranial vault from side to side, from one side to other side. This crosses the cranial vault from side to side, and this runs downwards and forwards. From the middle point it is running downwards and forwards from in the front side. This is about the coronal suture. Second is the sagittal suture. This is the sagittal suture, and this sagittal suture is placed in the median plane between two parietal bones. This is present in the middle plane between the two parietal bones. Lambdoid suture. This lambdoid suture lies posteriorly between the occipital bone and the two parietal bones, and this runs downwards and forwards across the cranial vault. The fourth suture is the metopic suture. In Latin, metopic means forehead. So hence this is present here. This is the forehead between the two frontal bones. Actually, this is present occasionally. It is not a normal suture. Occasionally, in 3 to 8% of individuals it can be seen, and this lies in the middle part and represents the two halves of the frontal bones. This is the frontal bone. If it is present, this is present in middle part and it represents the two halves of the frontal bone. And normally this metopic suture fuses at 6 years of age. These are all about the sutures of the sutures that can be seen in the superior view. Now let's see the other features also that can be seen in the superior view.